Welcome to my first unboxing in, I'd say, a month. But I won't get this uploaded until I get a table. So this is going to be something I've always wanted. I'm using a pocket knife this time because I don't know where my other knife is. And it looks like there's an address in there. Okay. Let's see what it says. Well, the main attraction is in heaven. And this is an engine I've always wanted. This package really well. Just got home from work, by the way. I was really excited about this. And over there it is. Sorry, I was trying to make sure my address was shown, but there it is. This is the Hornby Vintage Class 58. This is something I've always wanted. Wow. This is nice. And this will probably make it my second British diesel, oddly enough. My first one was a Thomas & Friends D261. And this is my second one. Yep, see, Hornby, made in Great Britain. It looks in pristine condition. Looks like it might be oiled. Yeah, I can't wait to give this a spin. This is awesome. Alright, let's test it. So at the moment I am still on the floor, but I will put this up when I get a table built, and hopefully I can edit it in when I'm running this thing on the table. Alright, so you're going to see it at a completely different angle. I don't think it weighs very much since the traction tires aren't gripping the track. Oh well, we'll see. Let me get this off the tripod. Right, I got Class 58 there. My controller is right here, oddly enough, along my DCC controller, but we'll switch that on, and we will see if it moves. If it moves. Hey, wow. Wow, that's so silent. I was expecting it to be like a noisy retail motor like they usually are, but oh my god. That is so nice and quiet. That is amazing. And the current draw is pretty much non-existent, so that's a really good sign. Alright, let's halfway up. Up. Oh, that ain't good. Hang on. Yeah, I don't know what happened there. I just locked up for a second, and then I switched it backwards, and it rolled backwards pretty fine. So, yeah. The current draw is still really good. So, nothing to complain there. Yeah, this is nice. I can't get over how silent this thing is. Previous owner did a really good job. Okay, I hooked her up to some freight cars. I hooked her up to some Thomas & Friends freight cars because There were pretty much ways saying I don't have any rolling stock that this thing would have pulled during its lifetime. So, yeah, I do apologize for that. They are a bit too classy since, again, they're Thomas and Friends. But yeah, let's watch this thing go around. Uh-oh. Okay. We'll take some cars off. Right, took 3 trucks off right here, so it's pulling 6 cars plus a breakdown, so... Uh-oh. Okay, it just shorted. Right, that is not good. So I opened the model up, and it was shorting my controller, and I hope I found the issue. I did find some oil on one of these terminals. This is a Hornby open frame motor, by the way, and I don't know. I really hope he didn't go too overboard with the oil. May have to clean it up, but yeah, I'll let you guys know if anything happens. So I put the truck on the track right here, and I took the motor out in case it burns it out. So I haven't tested the motor yet, but it should work fine. Watch this. See, the truck is shorting out the controller, so definitely gonna have to look into that. Well then, this is an embarrassing moment. Remember how I said the truck was shorting out the controller and that it was swimming in oil? Yeah, the swimming in oil part, it is somewhat true, but it wasn't the engine nor the oil that was in the terminals of the motor and all that stuff. It was the controller. Ugh. Turns out I had the wires that were hooked up to the terminals of the controller so close, it was shorting the controller, and now it's moving. It's slipping a little bit. I have a feeling it's because something must have happened with the mounting and stuff like that. That's probably why it's not that secure. I don't think the motor is secure, or it might not be heavy enough, I don't know. But it does move. I'll see what I can do. Hopefully I'll fix that. But yeah, even if it's slipping or if it's struggling to move under its own power, I'm pretty happy with it. I'm just glad it moves. Alright, so let's see if I can pull a train with this thing. Try to move. Look at the hand. Embarrassing moment alert. See that little bar right there? I forgot to put it back on the gear. That's probably why I was struggling to pull that small train. What is wrong with me? Alright, I fixed it, and let's test it. So this thing really does keep struggling to move under its own power. I don't know if it's just me, or a clip at the little bearing right there. It's supposed to hold the motor in broke. I really hope that wasn't me, because well, I did see it when I took this thing out. But yeah, now I'll see what I can do. Right, where do I begin? Well, where to start? Embarrassing moment after embarrassing moment. So, this thing does move. Right, I'll show you. So it moves pretty well, but if you can tell by just looking at it, it's backwards. So in this direction, it's going reverse, but in this direction, it's going forward because these are the exhausts. You're pointing this way. So I turned it around, and would you know it actually did go backwards pretty fine. But one problem though, this thing is absolutely weak. It does have traction tires, though I don't even know if they even help. So I might have to put some weight in this thing, definitely. But it does run pretty good. But this is all that it can pull. I kid you not. Maybe if I add 1 or 2 more trucks, we will see if the performance is, decent. We'll see. Well, let's see. Yeah, see, it's slipping a little bit. So it can do it. It's just not very good at it. You can actually feel like the gearing in the motor in there and stuff. But I can't strain it too much, because that's an open frame motor and they're very, very easily known to burning out. So yeah, I have to be really careful with this thing. But other than that, I do love it. Right, it's been about over an hour since I last saw you, and I sort of found the issue on why it's struggling to pull itself or moving under its own power. I believe it's this traction tire right here. Yeah. I don't know how well you can see it, but that traction tire literally is moving. I did let the seller know. Hopefully he'll message me back on how to fix this issue. The other one's fine. It's not moving, it's just this one. So, yeah. That may be why it's struggling to move under its own power. Well, it is now tomorrow as in Friday, August 13th. Haha. It turns out that the Class 58 is stronger than I thought, actually. I have no idea what I did with it. I would take it apart and I would try to see what's going on and explain the loose traction tire on it, but I don't even know if that was even the issue. Last time I couldn't even get it to haul 4 cars, and now it's hauling 1, 2, 3, 4, 8 cars, or 7 plus a brake van. Now watch this. It is pulling all those without a struggle. So what is going on here? Is this Class 58 playing a prank on me or something? I have no idea. But it's working. Well guys, it's now several days later. It's Tuesday, August 17th, and I'm about to be in the editing process of me filming myself building my new table. So yeah, this is where my layout used to be. I probably forgot to mention this. Well, hopefully I'll remember it at the end of this video. Alright, so if I can remember to turn power on, which is right here. There we go. Let's give the Class 58 a spin. I was gonna say after turn that down. So as I was saying about the hiatus thing, I probably meant to say while I was on hiatus, I did try to warn you guys that I wouldn't upload for a while after I uploaded my latest video, which is one of my skits. I probably have a hunch that this is probably the longest gap I've had, probably since the start of the channel. Now that really does paint a picture right there. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching me unbox my Hornby Class 58. I do hope you guys enjoy it, at least, even if it's not really your cup of tea for British trains, but it's definitely my cup of tea, you know? Yeah, thank you all so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Take care, guys.